Welcome back to another edition to my simple bamboo series. I got a lot of this bamboo. It grows naturally around here. I figured since we're all in quarantine and maybe have some extra time on our hands and maybe need our minds taken off some of the crazy stuff going on, that I'd just do some really simple stuff with bamboo. Well, today I'm doing the most simple one of them all, making some shot glasses. Also, before we get started, the first one I made was this toothbrush organizer for my son and my viewer Craig Montefort. I hope I said your last name right. I was confused about what to do for a base for it, so I didn't give it a base. But Craig suggested why not use just a piece of wood and make it look like a lily pad. And so that's what I did. I think that was a great idea, Craig. That was a really, really good idea. And I haven't got a little plastic frog to put on there yet. I'm gonna, next time I have to go grocery shopping or something, I'll check and see if I can find like a little frog to put on there, because that would make it all the more cool. And if you want to see that video, then it'll be in a card or at the end of this video or something. Let's check this out. This is super easy. You can make it in like 30 minutes, so let's just give it a check. It be weird time, so what better to make than some shot glasses? Bamboo is like a natural shot glass, or well, rather it's got like natural shot glasses built into it. So me and Adam cut this one out the other night just for fun. I'm just gonna use that to kind of like get an idea of where to cut it. And bamboo cuts really easily, handsaw or otherwise. Okay, so there's one. I need two more. Okay, my cuts weren't perfect, so they don't really stand up exactly right, but I think that can be fixed easily. Sanded all of these really nice and smooth up to 320 grit, and I'm gonna just put a food safe mineral oil finish on there. You're really pretty much done after you cut these. Hear that thunder? I feel like it could bring into question, is bamboo safe to drink out of? I mean, in other countries they've been doing it since like the dawn of man, so I assume so, and me and Adam tried it a couple times and neither one of us got sick, so I'm gonna say yes. If anything, it's cool decor for your house. I'm honestly not much of a liquor drinker. I like to have a few beers on the weekend, so these are probably mostly gonna be decorative. Anyways, if you liked and enjoyed this, I'll have some more simple, easy bamboo stuff coming up. And I do have a main bamboo project that I planned out years ago that I could finally get around to as well, so I'm excited for that. So anyways, I hope everybody is staying safe. I'll catch you next time.